Does your car suddenly feel like it wants to stall out when you step on the gas? Or is that check engine light just staring at you from the dashboard? You could have a P045A code hiding in your system, and it is time to figure out how to fix it. This is a generic OBD2 code that applies to almost any vehicle equipped with an exhaust gas recirculation system. The code specifically points to a problem in the B control circuit of that system. Your engine computer, known as the PCM, controls a vacuum solenoid by turning its ground connection on and off. When the computer turns the solenoid on, the voltage should be close to zero. When it is off, the voltage should jump up near your normal battery voltage, which is usually around 12 volts. If the computer does not see the right voltage at the exact right time, it throws this code. Most of the time, an electrical fault in this circuit will not cause major driving issues other than an annoying warning light. However, if the solenoid valve gets physically stuck open because of carbon buildup or debris, you will experience rough idling, misfires when you accelerate, or the engine might just completely die out at stoplights. The most common culprits are a bad solenoid, high resistance in the wiring due to chafing, worn-out connector pins, water damage, or a loss of supply voltage. To troubleshoot this at home, always check for technical service bulletins first. Turn your ignition on but leave the engine off. If you have a professional skin tool, command the solenoid to turn on, and listen closely for a clicking sound. If it clicks, check the electrical current on the ground circuit. It needs to be less than 1 amp. You can also take the valve off and try to blow lightly through it to check for physical blockages. If it does not click, disconnect the connector and hook up a test light between the two wires while commanding it on. If the light shines, you just need a new solenoid. If the light stays dark, you need to check the supply wire for 12 volts. If all this electrical testing sounds overwhelming, or if you have replaced the part and the code still comes back, it is definitely time to take your car to an experienced mechanic who can trace complex wiring shorts or test the main computer. Fix that circuit and your engine will breathe easier, run smoother, and keep your emissions perfectly in check.